Our next scientist is Frederick Griffith, who's also known as the Pneumonia Man, and he was attempting to find a vaccine for pneumonia. And we can see in this graphic what he did in his experiments. So, in his experiments, he took some strains of this pathogen that causes pneumonia and injected them into the mice, and the mice did not get sick and the mice did not die. So they lived. So this strain was considered virulent. And then he took this other strain that when he injected them into the mice, they got sick and died. This strain was considered virulent, so it made them sick. The next thing he did in his third set of experiments is he took this virulent strain of pathogen and destroyed it with heat. So he killed them with heat, injected them into the mice, and the mice lived. And then the last thing that he did is he put a mixture of these heat destroyed pathogens along with the non virulent pathogens. He put them together and injected them into the mice, and the mice died. So, what he discovered is that something was passed from these virulent yet heat destroyed pathogens to the non virulent ones to make them virulent, to make them active, to make them um, create this illness in the mice, and the mice died. Now, at this point, he didn't know what the transformation factor was. We now know today that that transformation factor that transferred from these heat destroyed virulent bacteria into the good ones was DNA. But at this time, he just knew that something had passed between them, but he wasn't for sure what it was. But that's his contribution to DNA history. And please make sure that you watch this video.